Get in your baggie? Alright, I think you emptied it. Huh? Can I have this? What's this? The crayon? It's empty.
I'm just gonna hang on to it.
No, 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 no.
Get me another one there, boy.
Okay, can I have this? I get your crayon, or are you gonna take it?
I'm drawing, mister. That's right. Don't mess with his bed.
Where'd the other crayons go?
He threw them.
Oh.
They rolled off.
Uh-oh, there's another crayon. Uh-oh, he's got two now. Hulk smash. What do you got there? What do you got? What are you doing there, Easton? Can I have those? Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye. Wait, bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye?
I got crayons.
I got crayons in my hands, I can't
Sorry.
wave. Here, wave bye-bye.
Yes,
Oh,
you do it.
goodness. I got it. He did his eye roll.
His newest,
Bye-bye.
his newest entertainment.